Assalamualaikum friends. In today's lecture, I want to recall all the basic formulas for Laplace transform. Number 1. Laplace transform of e for at into f of t equal to f of s minus a. Number 2. Laplace transform of f dash of t equal to s into Laplace transform of f of t minus f of 0. Number 3. Laplace transform of f double dash of t equal to a square into Laplace of f of t minus s into f of 0 minus f dash of 0. Number 4. Laplace transform of f of n time t equal to s power n. Laplace transform of f of t minus s to the power n minus 1 into f of 0 minus s to the power n minus 2 f dash of 0 and so on up to fn minus 1 times 0. This is generalized formula. Now 5 number. Laplace transform of f of t minus a into u of t minus a equal to e power minus as into Laplace transform of f of t. Very important formula. We again and again using this formula Laplace transform of t power n, which is equal to n factorial divided by t to the power n plus 1 or gamma of n plus 1 factorial n gamma of 1 n plus 1 divided by t to the power n plus 1. Now 7 number. Laplace transform of t into f of t, which is equal to minus Laplace transform of f of t. Now to generalize this formula, Laplace transform of t power n into f of t equal to minus 1 to the power n into Laplace transform of f of t. Number 9. Laplace transform of f of t divided by t equal to integration from s to infinity into Laplace transform of f of t into ds. Last formula in this chapter, Laplace transform of f of at equal to 1 over a into f of s divided by a. These are some of the important formulas. We have to learn all these formulas. We will use in exercise and in MCQs. We can solve MCQs through these formulas very easily. Now I want to discuss with you some important MCQs. Number 1. What is the Laplace transform of e power at into f of t? With the help of this formula, Laplace transform of e power at into f of t, which is equal to f of s minus a, we can easily solve the first MCQs, which is equal to f of s minus a. And second MCQ, Laplace transform of e power minus at f of t, which is equal to f of s plus a. Here only change occur in minus and plus. Number 3. Laplace transform of e power 3t into f of t, which is equal to f of s minus 3. Because there is plus 3, then we use here s minus 3. We have already proved this formulas in previous lectures. What is the Laplace transform of e power minus 3t into f of t, which is equal to f of s plus 3. Now, MCQs number 5. What is the Laplace transform of e power 2t into t? By first shifting theorem, which is equal to 1 divided by s minus 2 square. Because Laplace transform of t equal to 1 divided by s square. But here in multiplication e power 2t, then we will replace s by s minus 2. What is the Laplace transform of e power minus 3t into t? And here s plus 3 is in multiplication. Laplace transform of this thing is 1 divided by s plus 3 square. Then s plus 3 will cancel with s plus 3. Then this answer is correct. Number 7. Laplace transform of e power t into cos 2t. Laplace transform of cos 2t equal to s divided by s square plus 4. S square plus 4. Then we replace s by s minus 1, because by shifting theorem, when here is e power minus t, then we minus at, then we put f of s minus a plus a, then we put s minus a. So here it is 1, so we will replace by s by s minus 1. MCQs number 8. What is the Laplace transform of e power t into sin 2t? Laplace transform of sin 2t equal to 2 divided by s square plus 4. So we will replace s by s minus 1. So option number B is correct. Now MCQs number 9. What is the Laplace transform of e power t into cos hyperbolic 2t, which is equal to cos hyperbolic 2t equal to s divided by s square minus 4. Now replace s by s minus 1 because of e power t. Then option number C is correct. MCQs number 10. What is the Laplace transform of e power t into sin hyperbolic 2t? Laplace transform of sin hyperbolic 2t equal to 2 divided by s square minus 4. But now we will replace s by s minus 1 because of e power t. Here a equal to 1, e power at, then here a equal to 1. MCQs number 11. What will be the Laplace transform of e power 4t into t power n? We already know that Laplace transform of t power n equal to n pictorial divided by s power n plus 1. Then this is also incorrect. This is also incorrect, because we will replace s by s minus 4. So option number D is correct. What will be the Laplace transform of f prime of t, which is equal to s into Laplace transform of f of t minus f of 0. This is also equal to Laplace transform of f of t. Now MCQs number 13. Laplace transform of f double prime of t equal to s square into Laplace transform of f of t minus s f of 0 minus f dash of 0. This is the correct, because we have already studied in the formulas. You have to remember all these formulas. Laplace transform of f triple dash of t equal to s cube Laplace transform of f of t minus s square f of 0 minus s into Laplace transform of f dash of 0 minus f of double dash of 0. Here MCQs number 15. Laplace transform of f of t minus a into u of t minus a equal to e power minus as into f of s, because this is also formula. But you have to remember, because a lot of MCQs came from these formulas. What will be the Laplace transform of sin t minus a into u of t minus a? Because we have studied a formula that we will put e power minus as into Laplace transform of this thing, which is equal to 1 divided by s square plus 1. Another MCQs. Laplace transform of cos t minus a into u of t minus a, which is equal to e power minus as into Laplace transform of cos t minus a, which is equal to s divided by s square plus 1. So option number C is correct. Last MCQ, Laplace transform of f of a t, which is equal to 1 over a into Laplace transform of f of s divided by a. Not Laplace, f of s divided by a. So these are MCQs on Laplace transform. All these are 18 MCQs. You have to remember first of all formulas for these. Then these MCQs are too much easy. So you have to learn all these formulas and then apply to the question. Thanks for watching the videos. Please like and subscribe our channel for upcoming series of lecture. We will discuss a lot of MCQs